proud to stand before this podium and speak before all you lovely people. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude toward Mr. Deepal Singh Kohli and all the other dignitaries who have spared their valuable time to make this evening even more special for us. I hope our tiny thoughts would have given you a glimpse of how much hard work our teachers have put in to put this show. I would like to mention here that all the items were prepared solely by our teachers without the help of any professionals. Time and again, we have made efforts that we should concentrate on the overall development of the children rather than concentrating only on academics. Though we believe that the success of any school lies in the academics. And we shall be no different and pay full attention toward the academics. And an example of this effort is that we have secured 100% board result in the past year. Another thing which I would like to share is that the way my parents have given me full support in completing my higher studies and also given me a fair chance to hone my talent, they've always encouraged me to create my own identity. Thanks Mom, thanks Dad. And so shall I hope that this inspiration would be carried by all other parents. That today, we not only need to make our daughters and sisters study, but also give them a fair chance to be by their own. I hope we shall be encouraged for Women Power Week. And now, without much ado, we would like to continue the show. Thank you so much.